Welcome back, guys. Welcome to Mama Africa's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a grilled cheese and ham sandwiches in the air fryer, guys. It's going to be delicious. Let's start. Let's go. So here are my ingredients. I have ham. It's a Black Forest ham and cheddar cheese, butter, and bread. So we're gonna start with the butter first. Let's put good butter. Another one. So I'll do one on each side. My air fryer is not large, so I can only make one at a time. Yeah. This is for breakfast, guys. Breakfast. It's gonna be more like a brunch. Gonna make it delicious. One more. One more. So I have the cheddar cheese, Black Forest ham, and my bread and butter. So I prefer this bread, guys. It's heavier. This one here. So let me put my butter aside. Then now we'll flip them. You want your butter to be at the bottom. So we'll start with our cheese. This cheese, sometimes they are very sticky. You have to be very careful. Very delicate. I like cheese, so I'm going to put 2. No cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like, guys. You can use mozzarella, any cheese. Havarti. messed up on this. I messed up. But it's okay. Then I'm going to put my ham. And do it like that. Then fold it like that. That's it. And stuff on the side. So this side you put butter up like that. The butter side up and the butter side down. Now it's time to grill it. So I'm gonna put on at 325. Checking, guys. So our cooking is done, guys. It's all done. As you can see, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at it, guys. Look how beautiful. Now we can fry them. Everything is nice and perfect. So beautiful. Very, you can hear the sound, very crisp. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Now surprise your guest. The hostess with the mostest. Look how delicious. Delicious. So guys, it took 15 minutes, 7 minutes on each side. Put it at 390. I changed my setting at 390. 15 minutes. 7 minutes both sides. Look at it. Look at it. Wow. It's delicious. Delicious. Let's look at it, guys. Look how beautiful. So this is my breakfast for the day. The breakfast of the day, guys. Delicious. I'm ready. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friend and family. Bye now.